What is in this mysterious box? Hi again, cheapskates. Another day, another mystery box. So, what are we doing here? eBay got another one, completely different vendor this time. And what did I pay for this? Or what is it? What is it titled? Amazon Overstock Boxes at least $75 value. I paid $30.39. It was originally $37.99, but they had 20% off. So at least $75 for the, we'll see what happens. So let's open this together. And I don't know, maybe there's tickets to Maui in here. All right, stop being stupid. Let's see what we got here. Let's open this puppy up. Da-da-da. This individual did not tape it up nearly as some of the other folks. Some of the other folks, they like mummify these boxes with tapes. Like, ooh, you are thorough. All right, let's see what we got. It's a littler box, but I only paid $30 for it. So let's see what is going on here. I think already this is going to be worth $30. I see some pretty awesome items in here. So let's see, what are we starting with? All right, we're starting with this cute notebook. That is, yeah, it's just for notes, but the cover of it is very cute. And I buy notebooks like if there's ever clearance, let's say after all the back to school stuff, it has been snatched up, and then they start discounting stuff. I'll go into Walmart or Target or whatever, and I'll pick up those spiral bound notebooks for a quarter or 50 cents each. So notebooks, that's my thing. That's cute. So into my stash you go. A little black velvet bag, but there's something in it. What could it be? It's a troll. I believe it's a troll wearing a sombrero and playing a guitar. They're cute. I don't know where I'd wear these, but they are cute. So nice, cute pair of earrings. This appears to be, yeah, it's from Target. I'm absolutely going to 100% use this because I like to go walking or running in, a couple times a week. And I don't like to carry my phone around, obviously, but you put your phone in here and then strap it to your arm. And that way you're not lugging a phone around. This is actually awesome because it's got a little zipper pocket right here. And it appears to have stuff built on the inside. Yeah, it's got a pocket right there. I could, put like a house key or something in there. And yeah, that's cool. I like it. So a little Target armband for your phone to go running or walking, and you're not carrying your phone. Oh, snap. If you watched one of my previous videos, you know how much I love to change out switch plates in wherever I move to in my house. And this is absolutely going in my office. This is super cute. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it'll fit the outlet there. But yeah, I love cute switch plates. So that's nice. So far, so good. I'm loving this box so far. What do we got? These, okay. I was going to say, I've gotten so many of the little valve covers for your tires. And but this is for a BMW. It looks like I think it has a BMW logo. Yeah, it has a BMW logo on it. So yeah, put them on my car. No, I don't think so. Oh, we've got makeup. This looks like lip stuff. Rimmel. It looks like matte lipstick. Rimmel is a brand, I think it's like one of the lower end brands, if I remember correctly. I've seen it at Walmart and a few other places, but yeah, Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color. And that's brand new. Nobody's gotten in there and I don't know, blew their nose or something and got it disgusting, but that's nice color and it's brand new. It was still in plastic. Cool. This is going pretty well. Ooh, okay. What is this? Uh, styling hair wax, disposable hair coloring materials. This, what does this say? Hair color wax for Halloween. That's different. Let's see what's in this puppy. Very pretty packaging. And it's sealed. Yeah, styling hair wax. It looks like it's kind of a magenta kind of color. So something for Halloween, and it's sealed. It's still in the box. $31 for this box. They aren't kidding. There's $75 worth of stuff in here. So good vendor. I'm going back to these folks. What is this? Hell's Smoke. Y'all don't roast me. I don't know what this is. If it's something popular, forgive me. I'm not with it at all, apparently. Hell's Smoke? What the heck is this? Do y'all know what this is? Egg Pod 10 pieces magic prop tool. Sheets fire. Oh, it's some kind of magician's. It's okay. I guess it's flammable, but it's something magicians use. Yeah, it says magic on it. So that's. I'd love to see what Magic Act would include this. Or maybe like when magicians go, they poof and they have the thing of smoke or whatever. Maybe that's what that is. Okay, I'm totally going to try these out. Why not? Beauty Made Simple. What is this? Grand Fun. Where's my knife? Where's my knife? It's sealed. What is this? Multifunctional facial roller. This is brand new. Yes. Oh my gosh. I think you put this in the freezer and you roll your face with it. It's supposed to like cool and kind of reduce puffiness. Wow. I love it. I love it. Yeah. Multifunctional face roller. By golly, that's pretty freaking awesome. I know you guys are like, whatever, but us ladies, as we get older, we'd sell a kidney to stay young looking. Oh, I'm totally putting this on my keychain. It's a little keychain, and it says Fur Mama on it. And my furry little pot-bellied little terrier, I am his mama. So that's super cute, super cute. What do we got here? Oh, I found these at the bin picking place. They're mouth tape, hypoallergenic, comfortable, easy to apply, barely noticeable. Yeah, you literally put this. It's like in the shape of an X. You literally put it over your mouth to keep from snoring, apparently, but still sealed. Look at that. Look at that. It's still sealed. So yeah, for people that snore, this is for you, I guess. And there's how many in here? I don't see, but I mean, it feels like there's quite a few in there. Oh my gosh, this box is amazing. I am so happy. What do we got? What are these? Little rubber things? Any of y'all know what that is? There's two of them in here. I I haven't a clue. Just two little random rubber thingies. Stickers. I've gotten stickers in almost every single box. And these, well, one of my lights died. Why did my light die? Temporary light malfunction there, but all is well. These look to be really cute stickers. Care Bears. Oh, how cute. Yes, all of them are Care Bear stickers. Very cute. There's a lot of them in here, too. Baby girl. Cute. All right, stickers. I'll take it. Still going. What do we got here? Some kind of... Oh, stop it. These are so cute. Candles, like taper candles. I can absolutely use these. I burn a candle every evening, so, and they're cute. They're kind of unique looking. I love it. All right, you Taylor Swift fans out there are going to really totally dig this. A Taylor Swift watch band. I'm sure there's somebody out there that would love to have this. I'm personally a metalhead. I'm not into Taylor Swift, but yeah, for a Swiftie, this would be a wonderful find. All right, we've got something that says Merry Christmas on it. What's we have here? This is a really good box. I'm totally and absolutely recommending the Markdown Vault on eBay. This has been for $31, or no, I'm not even 31, $30.39 and free shipping. I mean, there's so many of these people, so many of these guys that sell these boxes, and it's, 20, 30, 40 bucks for shipping, but free shipping. And I've got some good stuff here. I'm happy. Look at this card. Oh, it's so pretty. It's a Christmas card, but it's one of the little pop-up things. How stinking cute is that? That's getting sent to somebody next Christmas. And it was still sealed and everything. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Oh, stop. I can put my AirPods in here. Look at that with the deer on it and the United States flag. I'm all over that. I will totally and 100% use that. Very very cute. I like. Face masks. A lot of you have made the comment that after the pandemic, I'm sure they manufactured millions upon millions upon millions of these things. And I'll tell you one thing, whenever I go bargain shopping, bin picking, bargain shopping, you name it, almost everywhere I go, I find a mask, a mask or two or three or four or five sitting in the clearance section. So they made a lot of these things, and post-pandemic, you can't give them away. So I'm not complaining about that. That's how many are in here? They appear to be, they're disposable. So I think they're kind of like that lined, it feels like that kind of papery kind of thing. But it doesn't say how many are in here. Oh, 50. Okay, there's 50 in here. So that would have come in handy about 5 years ago, but not complaining. What do we got here? I can't quite tell what this is. All right, let's get the knife out because I cannot get this thing open. Not sure what that is, but it says "For lovely you." I think it's a card of some, yeah, it's like a gift card, especially for you. But I'm not sure what function. I mean, this came in the same bag, so I'm not sure what purpose that serves, but It'll get used, totally get used. All right, last item. What do y'all think it is? What could it be? It's got some weight. Is it electronics? Do you think it's electronics? What could it be? Schindel. I don't, oh, it looks like a, oh, they're inflatable. I almost thought for a second they were inflatable pumpkins because they're so bright orange, but they're balls. Yeah, they're just like beach balls. Okay, cool. And there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them in there. Maybe I can make up some summertime boxes for people to buy, and I'll throw these in there along with whatever summertime stuff I get in these boxes or at the bin places. 100% totally and absolutely worth it. If you want to check them out, and I believe the boxes are still on sale. Listing is Amazon overstock boxes, at least $75 value, 100%. If I added this stuff up, I can almost guarantee you it's at least $75 in value. And I got the box for $30.39, free shipping. Originally, the box was $37.99, and they are offering 20% off. Not sure how long that's going on for, but the markdown vault, these guys and Storages Hunter, 100% I'm buying from them again, because this is great little finds here. Makeup, face stuff, beach balls, cards. I mean, I love it. I love it. So thank you guys for watching. And I haven't ordered any more mystery boxes quite yet. I was planning to go grab a mystery bag at my local pick-and place. However, here in Tennessee, we're expecting, there's some reports that are saying 6 to 8 inches of snow. And where I am, I mean, we get snow occasionally, but not that much. That's very rare that we get that much. So I may be snowed in this weekend. So that's kind of a bummer, because I was going to go grab several of those bags, because I think a lot of you really enjoy. I mean, I had people saying, "Where did you get that bag? I want one." And it's like, it's just a little local place that does the mystery bags. So I wish I could point you guys, unless you live here locally, I wish I could point you in the right direction to find these bags, but they're fun to open. They're always full of good stuff. There's usually one item in the bag that's worth $30 at least. Like last time I found Bare Minerals facial powder, and what are they, $30, $40 at Sephora. So, and I paid $12 for these bags. So if the weather doesn't get like disgusting this weekend, I will head over there and grab a bag or two, but they're calling for a lot of snow. So if I am unable to do that, I have a couple of ideas in mind. I've had people ask me, why are you so cheap? And I was going to do a video about that, why I am such a cheapskate. And I got a couple of other things that I'm mulling over in my feeble brain. So I do appreciate you guys watching. And again, I mean, my subscribers, I don't know what happened, but I went from a few weeks ago to having 17 subscribers. I'm up to, last time I checked, I was up to 416. So you guys mean the world to me for just actually watching this goofball sit here and run her mouth. I appreciate you guys watching. Somebody said it was a nice distraction to be able to, and I agree. I love to watch channels like the cheap chick. Somebody mentioned her, and that to me, to just sit there and watch her unbox things, it's a nice distraction from all the craziness that goes on in the world. So again, I do appreciate you guys subscribing. And you've been sharing the heck out of my videos too. I'm like, whoa, I hope that's a good thing. Anyway, like and share and subscribe, turn on notifications. So when I upload a video, it'll let you know right away. So as always, stay cheap, y'all.